Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to easily change the hue, saturation and brightness of an image in Adobe Photoshop. You might want to use these simple tools to tweak an image or to perhaps make it look a little more vibrant. The method is nice and easy, so it will only take us a couple of minutes. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. Load up Photoshop and add in the image you want to change the appearance of. With it added, make sure it is selected in the Layers panel. To now change the hue and saturation, use the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl or Command on a Mac and the U key. Alternatively, you can go to the Image tab, then to Adjustments, and then to Hue and Saturation. You can change these settings in the window that opens. Feel free to customize it completely or use one of the presets available. Click on OK when you are happy with the changes. To change the brightness, go back to the Image tab and Adjustments, and then Brightness and Contrast. Change the settings to your preference in here, and again click on OK when you are done. And so that is how to easily change the hue, saturation and brightness of an image in Adobe Photoshop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.